Hey guys, welcome back to ECT Maker Builder. Here today I'm going to be building the Lego Technique app controlled Top Gear rally car. All the details are over there. So this is the surprise that I was telling you about. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know when I'm going to be posting a new video. And yeah, stay tuned to the end of the video, and yeah, see you guys later. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video, and today I just finished this car, the Top Gear rally car, 500 pieces. So this is the power area. So as you can see, the power area is over here, grey bit. And basically it's run by battery, so all you have to do is just take it out. So one sec. So here are the batteries here. Then just 6 batteries, basically all you need for this car. And the wheels, there's only 2 big wheels in the back, 2 small wheels in the front. I'm going to show you guys how it works while driving. So just go back, go forward. When it goes forward, the wheels kind of not, turned as standard when it comes to the wheels. It doesn't go forward as much. It's pretty slow. So you can just turn it if you want to. So turn left or turn right, sorry. And then if you want to turn left, you just turn the wheel the other way. So so this is what it looks like on the app. So the app is called Control Plus, and that's what this app is. They use this app to control the car. So just go back, go forward. Like I said, the forward's not fast enough, but the back is pretty fast. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications, and stay tuned for new videos that are going to come up soon in the future. And see you guys there.